Good morning children, have a nice day. Welcome to social class, standard 7th history, unit 3. Name of the lesson, rise of Marathas and Peshwas. Today discuss the topic Sambhuji. Sambhuji succeeded Shivaji after a succession tussle with Anaji Dato. There were family feuds splendouring the Maratha kingdom. Durgadas of Radhampur, Marwar and Aurangzeb rebel son Akbar arrived in Maharashtra and took shelter in Sambhuji court. Aurangzeb viewed these developments very seriously and took all-out efforts to finish off Sambhuji. Marathas under Sambhuji were in no position to resist the Mughals. Aurangzeb himself arrived in Deccan in 1681. Aurangzeb's main goal was annexation of the Bijapur and Golconda. These two sultanates fell to Aurangzeb by 1687. In little over a year, Sambhuji was captured by the Mughals and after torture put to death. Sambhuji was under the wicked influence of his family priest Kavi Kalas. Kavi Kalas was the caretaker of Sambhuji in Varanasi during Shivaji's flight from Agra. He later brought Sambhuji safety to Raigad. His dominance in the court became absolute in course of time, as Sambhuji looked to his advice for everything. Kavi Kalash was a distinguished scholar and poet, but he was a practitioner of witchcraft. So the orthodox Hindus in the court had developed a deep hatred for him. When Sambhuji was captured by the Mughal army, he was found to be in the company of Kavi Kalas. So, the both of them were subjected to all forms of torture and them executed by the order of Aurangzeb. So, next discuss the topic Sagu Maharaja. The Shivaji is the grandson Sagu, that means honest. Originally a son, the name Originally a name given by Aurangzeb to contrast his character with that of Shivaji. They ruled from 1708 to 1749. During the first half of the 18th century, consolidation of the royal power was achieved through conferment of royal entitlement upon those who served Sagu. During Sagu's 40-year reign, there was increase in territory under the Maratha control, from which tribute was regularly extracted. More centralized and strong state structure also began to take shape. Every household, including that of landed household, profited from the state employment. So next discuss the topic Peshwas. Balaji Vishwanath 1713-1720 began his career as a small revenue official and became Peshwa in 1713, much against the advice from his close circles. Sagu appointed 20-year-old Vishwanath as the eldest son Bajirao to occupy the office of Peshwa. Next Bajirao 1720-1740. Bajirao decided to launch the major Maratha salute against the Mughals and the Nizam of Hyderabad. He assumed the power of commander-in-chief. He was wise in the choice of commanders for these campaigns. Instead of relying on the traditional elite group, namely Deshmukh, he was commands to the Gaikwad, Holkar and Sindhi or Sindhia families who had been royal to Emperor Shagu. His father Balaji Vishwanath and to him. So next we discuss the topic the prominent Maratha families. Gaikwad at Baroda, Bhonsle at Nagpur, Holkar at Indore, Sindhi or Sindhi at Gwalior, Peshwa at Pune. Bajirao proclaimed wars against Malwa and Gujarat and freed them from Mughal domination. The Mughal army and the troops of Nizam that intervened on behalf of the Mughals were defeated. Bajirao succeeded in getting the recognitions of Shagu as a king of Maharashtra and overlord of the rest of the Deccan, from which tribute of South and Sardesmagi, that is the name of the tax, could be legally collected by Maratha official. Bajirao centralized the fiscal function in Pune. This helped to receive the prompt transmission of tribute from the Deccan. The Maratha army, which consisted of no more than 5,000 horsemen and no artillery, the had by 1720 had doubled in its size. Yet they were no match for Mughals and Nizam. The success of Marathas against the Mughals was mainly due to the weakness of the latter. The Maratha dominance in Deccan is also attributed to the qualities of Maratha officials and generals who grew up under the Shagu and the Peshwas. So, let us recall this point. Sambhuji succeeded Shivaji after a succession tussle with Anaji Dato. So, next, Sagu Maharaja. The Shivaji grandson Sagu means it's one the honest. So, next, Peshwas, Balaji Vishwanath, Bajirao, another one, the prominent, the Maratha families. Thank you. We will discuss the next class.